हाय, दिस इज विकी कौशल।
आई एम शोभिता।
नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी।
और मैं अनुराग कश्यप। और ये है बॉलीवुड हंगामा।
Now rapid fire with Anurag Kashyap. What do you have that no other filmmaker has?
डार्कनेस।
What will you do if you get stuck in a lift with Pehla Janani and Ram Gopal Verma and you are suddenly reminded that you have a Swiss knife in your pocket?
Me? I will take out the Swiss knife and ढक्कन खोलूंगा सारे प्रहलाद जी के। बंद है काफी समय से।
You know, this is rapid. This is rapid. If I provoke him further, he will specify what sort of dhakkan, but I won't. I won't. Okay, amazing. In fact, I think Ram Gopal Verma tweeted like very interesting stuff that the entire industry should touch the feet of.
रामू जी का प्यार है। That's his love. That's his love that comes out gushing all the time.
Completely करो that touch the feet of Anurag Kashyap and everything else that makes him happy. So everything else is something that only he understands.
नहीं, what he's trying to say, which I will communicate to everyone, he's trying to say, देखो अनुराग को फिल्में बनाने दो और आप लोग के पास जो कुछ भी है पैसे वैसे उसको दे दो ताकि वो फिल्में बनाते रहे।
He meant something else. He meant something else. All right, worst criticism that you have received for a film that you have directed.
Worst criticism? See, for a filmmaker सबसे गंदा criticism जो होता है वो होता है जब people उसकी intention को question करते हैं। Anything, I'm saying somebody calling a film bad is not a bad criticism.
जी जी।
The worst criticism is जब पूछते हैं कि ये क्यों बनाई थी, मतलब जो उसका intention जब आ जाता है ना, जैसे for me it's like when somebody says sell out or somebody says like say when you fight for था somebody says publicity के लिए कर रहा है और somebody says ये ऐसा है, तो वो जो है वो that is the one that
hurts you.
That is the one that hurts, yeah.
If not Nawazuddin, who would you have casted for the role of the serial killer apart from Shobita?
No, I'm not shortlisted.
If not Nawazuddin,
Yeah.
actually this role I had not thought of anyone except Nawazuddin, but now you're saying, so let me think. If not Nawazuddin for this role, Pehlad ji. And I guarantee I would make him act very well. Because he is a kind of a serial killer of movies.
Psychopath?
Huh?
Psychopath.
He's a serial killer of movies. He has killed more movies than Raman Raghav has killed people.
You know the funniest part is that you're watching something and suddenly वो उसमें एक dissolve आ जाता है and you're like you know that यहाँ पर dissolve क्यों आया है? It's like which is
मैं तो मतलब for me बॉम्बे बॉलीवुड में जो पूरा केमिस्ट्री था दोनों एक्टर्स का
पूरा निकाल दिया
वो पूरा कट
you know
गया।
I totally in fact you know
वो पूरा कट गया, मतलब उनको कैसे काटा उन्होंने, मतलब there's a couple that keeps talking, the whole idea was there's a couple that can't keep their hands apart from each other, constantly sit like kissing and talking and all that, and they're not really smooching. वो सब जगह से उसका साउंड निकाल दो, ये निकाल दो, तो बात करें बीच में खचा है, एक पूरे सीक्वेंस में खचा थ्रू आउट दो।
नहीं इनफैक्ट यू नो मैं आपसे हमेशा मैं पूछना चाहता था कि दैट आपने जो प्रोमो दिखाया था व्हेन वी इंटरव्यूड यू बिफोर अगली यू नो एंड द प्रोमो दैट एक्चुअली रिलीज देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस इन दैट द एंटायर पैशन जो था दोनों के बीच में
पैशन तो
एवरीथिंग वाज
पिक्चर में से निकल गया था
वो पैशन जरूरी था बिकॉज़ अगर वो उसके लिए जान ले सकता है तो उसमें वो पैशन तो दिखना चाहिए कहीं ना
छोटे पैशन तो छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में वो निकल ही गया था, वो तो हर चीज़ को एक तो मुझे लगता है जो जिस तरह का सेक्सुअलिटी फिल्म में होता है उससे ज़्यादा तो उन देखने वाले के
माइंड में होता है वो तो
एक छोटी सी चीज़ है, जैसे हरामखोर के नीचे उसमें लिखा है बट इट सेज यू से बैड वर्ड्स और यू से अब्यूजिव वर्ड्स, मेरे को समझ में आता है
जी
filthy language is a judgment, filthy language is not that, so the filth is actually in the head of the person.
Absolutely.
So that's what I'm saying, it's the way they're thinking, and I can guarantee you there's much more perverseness in that person who's viewing that and the way they're viewing that and the filmmaker's intention and the movie.
If you were a journalist, Anurag Kashyap, what would you like to ask the following in a one-on-one interview?
Yeah.
क्या पूछना चाहेंगे आप? अरुण जेटली.
मैं पूछना चाहूँगा कि सर honestly just tell me that do you really care about the film industry?
Okay. Mr. Modi.
Mr. Modi, I would like to ask him that why does he not respond to a lot of things that he chooses to stay silent on?
Okay, Donald Trump.
I will ask him that, have you ever tried asking God, what's your last day on earth?
Pehla Janani.
वो सवाल समझ ही नहीं पाते वो उनके दिमाग में जवाब पहले से होता है, वही कहते हैं जो वो कहना चाहते हैं। तो it doesn't matter what question you're asking.
शाहरुख खान,
मैं शाहरुख खान से सवाल पूछना चाहूँगा कि सर अब तो नई नई चीज़ें भी कर रहे हैं, उनके सवाल बचे नहीं, बस क्या पूछूंगा सर, मेरे साथ कब काम कर रहे हैं?
मेरे और आई थिंक यू गाइस आर सपोज्ड टू डू समथिंग।
हम लोग तो बात करते रहते हैं, लेकिन मैं फिर भी बार बार यही पूछ रहा हूँ मेरे साथ कब काम कर रहे हैं?
राइट। Salman Khan, what would you like to ask Salman Khan in the one-on-one?
I would like to tell him his statement that has come out today was unbelievable. So I would congratulate him on that and would say thank you for speaking up so clearly and so frankly and so aggressively.
Fantastic. So, you know, ladies and gentlemen, I think मेरे ख्याल से हम लोगों के mind में कोई doubt नहीं है that who has won the rapid fire round. I think you'll agree that Mr. Kashyap has been really like I think close second has been Vicky Kaushal. I think some really interesting ones which have come from the Prodigy as well. So congratulations. So I think we can have like
a gift hamper.
gift hamper आपके घर पे पहुंच जाएगा. So thank you very much for being on Bollywood Hungama. Lovely talking to you guys.
Thank you for
Raman Raghav 2.0 and everything else that you guys are doing in the future. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Faridun. Thank you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.